Hey guys, it's your boy, I'm kind of here live once again. Welcome to another video. Man, today is another keycap reveal. This time from our vendor, Uber Keys, back at it again. Honestly, their stuff is quite amazing. The packaging, 50-50, but it's amazing. It's always coming in these sort of like 3D printed cap plastic stuff. I'm not too sure how to describe them to you. The reason I could tell is because of obviously the way they're printed. Like, you can just tell by the texture and everything. But anyways, this one I have for you is something a bit special, along the lines of the piranha plant from last time, and voila. Yes, that is correct. I have gotten the blue shell. And right off the bat, I could tell right away, you can't even tell it's a keycap of how seamless the bottom bits are like implemented in the structure itself. Like, if I were to hold it from here, like, you can't tell. It's quite amazing. It's quite amazing. Not only that, it's spiky, it's colorful, it's bright and vibrant, and look at the color. Look at the detail. It's quite insane. It's actually quite insane how nice it looks. And again, don't ask me where this is going. I have no idea. This is a miscellaneous type of buy, and I really wanted to capture the scary bits. But I feel like this is more the miscellaneous marine type because it's more friendly. You know, it fits a blue aesthetic, which I'm kind of going for. Yeah, it's amazing. Wow, look at that. And let me try to find the piranha plant. Boom. They're red and blue. Look at that. The spikiness, the details. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like, wow. I don't need the... Like, I think it just fit perfectly. It's a little rough around the edges, to be honest with you. Closer to inspection. I fear that if I were to keep pressing on these, I think the pointy bits will break off or at least get faded with color. So I have to be really careful if I were to use these keycaps. But yeah, it's quite amazing. It's quite amazing. Bam, bam, bam. I'm not too sure how exactly to show it to you guys, because it's it's so cute, and it's pretty. It's pretty light as well. Honestly, I don't think it will capture too much space. It definitely belongs in the upper range, but yeah, it doesn't hurt. Thankfully, like the Game of Thrones ones, those are hurting every time you press it. But these are okay. These are tolerable. I like it. Anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, please do like and subscribe for another video. And yeah, cheers.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea.
What does it even mean anymore?